When starting, make sure that you find yourself a reputable garden centre or nursery to source all your plants and your seeds. Always begin by growing on a small scale like this on the windowsill. You can then progress to growing in larger pots on the patio or even converting some garden space to grow your own food. And if you lack garden space, how about volunteering in a community garden or even securing an allotment? One important tip when you're sowing for the first time, always over-sow, just in case the slugs and the pigeons come over for tea. Growing perennial fruits and vegetables, that is plants that come back year after year, is always a good idea in the garden. Here I have some strawberry seedlings. I will plant these, they will spread and regenerate and create crops for years to come with minimal effort. Having a garden full of colour is not only good for the soul, it's also fantastic for biodiversity. So make sure that you plant flowers that will flower all the way from winter to autumn to encourage biodiversity and all kinds of insect life into your gardens. If you're unsure whether to water your plants or not, here's a simple tip. With your finger, place it into the compost. And if it comes out with a residue of compost sticking to your finger, that's a sure sign that there's enough moisture in the pot. However, if your finger comes out completely clean with no compost debris, then give it a little water. And those are some of my top tips to get you started on your gardening journey at home. And remember, gardening needn't be difficult. There's so much information that's readily available today online that will help you along the way.